Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video was meant to be filmed like 2 weeks ago, but I forgot to buy this product and then it took a while to actually arrive to me, so here we go. It's the 1st of December. Today I'm going to open my advent calendar. So if you would like to see what I got in the Revolution Gingerbread House advent calendar, then just keep on watching. Originally, this product on Superdrug's website, which is where I got this from, it says it was £140. The cardboard that it's in is very sturdy and I'm excited to see what's inside because it looks like the packaging itself would make up that price. It's currently £100 and then on the Black Friday deal it was 70, so I actually bought this for half price, but let's see if the products inside add up to that price. I just checked online and one of the reviewers said this advent calendar used to cost £160. This is very important. This will come in handy when I'm reviewing the pricing, so bear that in mind. I'm not going to do that now, I just want to unbox it. As you can imagine, spoilers coming ahead, so if you don't want to see what's in the advent calendar, then obviously click away. But let's get into it. I had a massive parcel, I took it out of the box. The box comes with a sleeve. Come on, get off. Got it. I don't think this will actually fit in the frame. This is the front. And then this is what it looks like inside. That looks so cute. I actually like the fact it's all in order. So the top one is number 1 and it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, blah, blah, blah. And you do get 25 packages. I'm so excited. I don't know why, but Advent always makes it just a bit more special. I love Christmas. I'm actually really excited for Christmas. Click away if you don't want any spoilers. But today is the 1st of December. Number 1 is actually pretty difficult to take out. There we go. Number 1. What have I got in here? Some paper and... ooh! Revolution Flare Stella. It's either a lip gloss, a liquid lip, or maybe a liquid eyeshadow. I'm not sure. Let's take number 2. It's a box. We have the Triple Baked Champagne and Diamonds highlighter. Number 3. I love this packaging and the fact it's got like gingerbread men on the thing. So cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. Mermaid's hat contour brush, adorable. By the way, there might be a giveaway coming soon because very likely I'm not going to use these products. Not all of them anyway. Day number 4. Pretty light. I reckon it's some kind of lipstick. Lip Lava liquid lipstick with vitamin E. Ooh, what colour is this? Unleash. This is a hefty one. Number 5. Oh, we got a first palette, and this is the Revolution Chocolate Orange Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Wow, I really like the colour story in this. So nice. Day number 6. Pretty light. I love the fact it's all cardboard. And you get paper inside, so you can recycle this. Ooh. Oh, wow. That looks so pretty. This is Metallic Unicorn Lips in Whimsical. It's a very, very pretty shade, but this would be a beautiful eyeshadow. And from what I know, Revolution doesn't claim that it's eye safe, so don't try it on your eyes. Day 7. Oh, I think that's another palette. Angel Heart palette. Oh my god. If you are looking for modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills dupe, I reckon this comes pretty close. The metallics in here, oh, they look so pretty. The 8 is upside down. This is like full to the brim. No, a full At Heart chocolate palette. This literally feels like Christmas already. You get the sponge applicator thing. They all have names. It all smells like chocolate. This is the original dupe for the Too Faced chocolate palette. I might do a video where I compare the two. Let me know down in the comments below if you would like to see that. Let's move on to day number 9. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I wish these were liquid eyeshadows. Metallic Angel Heart Lip Gloss in Cherub. Day number 10. Ooh, it's another palette. The mint one. That's so cute. Chocolate mint palette. Ooh, she pretty. Look at that. And that metallic right here, that champagne one. Oh, I bet that's reflective AF. Day 11. That's a very interesting colour. Metallic Unicorn Lips in Majestic. It's like it's a silver lipstick with purpley lavender reflex. I like that a lot. I'm not gonna wear it, but it looks very, very nice. Day number 12, about halfway through. Mermaid's Hat highlighters for your face and eyes. It looks like it's like a rainbow highlighter. Not for me, but a cool thing, and it matches that brush that we got earlier. Lucky number 13. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. We got multi-liner bright, 4 bright color retractable liners. Whoa, it looks so cool. I love this. The idea of this is amazing. Oh, day 14 it's a good one. I bet you it's a full palette. Yes it is. Oh come on, I can't even get it out. Creme Brulee eyeshadow palette. Very, very cool. If you are into your yellows, this is the palette for you. And the shade Yolk is like super, super bright. I don't think it smells like creme brulee. I'm not sure if it meant to. It smells like something. Day number 15. What's this? I bet you it's like a beauty sponge shaped like a donut. Oh no, it's not. It is sponges in a circle. There's other half in there. I usually use these to do my nails, to do like gradients. Kind of bummed out that it's not shaped like a donut. Day number 16. Ooh, we've got another highlighter, Dragon's Hat highlighter for face and eyes. This looks a lot more like my kind of tones. However, this might be better for medium to dark skin tones. Number 17, it's another lip thing. Metallic Unicorn Lips in Fantasy. They are so, so pretty. Again, I wish they were for your eyes, not for your lips. This one is quite heavy. It's either a highlighter or a mini palette. Angel Hat 5 breathtaking shades that can be used individually or swirled together to create a beautiful angelic glow. I like that a lot. I love the packaging. It's like unicorn skin. I like that a lot. Number 19, quite heavy. Another chocolate palette. This one is in salted caramel. That blue. And they smell so good. 20. We've got 5 more to go after that one. It's gone so fast. Oh, another highlighter. This is the one that I will love and I will use definitely. The Lighting Triple Baked Highlighter. Number 21. Oh, finally something I might actually wear. Another liquid lipstick. This one is in Nebula. Another heavy one. A full eyeshadow palette. Death by Chocolate. Ooh, let's see what it looks like inside. Very, very nice. 23. This one is Triple Baked Blusher Candy Queen of Hearts. I will have to open these in a second. Once I'm done with all of this, I might open these and give you a peek. I just didn't expect them to be in this plastic wrapping. 24. Seems quite light, unfortunately. What's this? Triple Baked Highlighter again in Superstar. Might be a little dark for me. We won't know until we look inside. I'm gonna do that in a minute. And then finally, Christmas morning, 25th of December. You're gonna be happy because it's quite heavy. We've got another palette. This one is in cinnamon. Not my favorite packaging, not my favorite combo. I love this creamy color here. Not a fan of this. What? That's a very colorful palette. And oh, I might have to keep this for the smell. It smells like cinnamon, like actual cinnamon, not like artificial, just straight up cinnamon. It smells so good. I just want to keep it open. And that's it for my calendar. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to open these boxes because I didn't get into them. I do want to show you what they are like inside. I'm going to clean up a little bit and I'm going to add it all up and I will be right back. I opened everything, I added up everything before I tell you all the prices and let you know whether Revolution is scamming you or not. Let's look at the highlighters and blushes and whatever those types of packagings were. So this is the Blushing Hearts Triple Baked Highlighter. It looks very, very pretty. I reckon I could use this easily. Mermaid Heart highlighter for eyes and face. Definitely not my kind of jam, so I will be either selling this on Depop or giving it to you guys in a giveaway. This is that beautiful highlighter that I reckon I will use, the highlighting triple baked highlighter. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful. And for the first time ever, I'm going to swatch something because again, I'm definitely keeping this. Dare I say, looks a bit glittery, but I reckon it will look stunning on the face. This is the Super Star Triple Baked Highlighter. This is so Christmassy. It's shaped like a star, but it is most certainly too dark for me as a highlighter. I could probably use this on my eyes, but I know it'll find a better home at your home, so it's definitely going in a giveaway. This is Angel Heart highlighter. This is like a mixture between a blush and a highlighter. It's very, very pretty. This is Champagne and Diamonds highlighter. Super, super pretty. I like that middle shade. It reminds me of Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. And then last but not least, the Dragon's Heart highlighter. Unfortunately, I think it'll be a little dark for me. Alright you guys, so this is everything that I got in the I Heart Gingerbread House advent calendar. Everything added up as it is now on the website without any discount, not including any sales, combining all the original prices of products. This advent calendar adds up to £126.96 if you paid the initial original price the Revolution were claiming that it's worth. You would have overpaid because £140 is more than the products add up to. I did not include the sponges price, which I reckon will be about £5, and the lightening highlighter, the one that I really like, the one that I swatched, doesn't have a price. I can't find it on the website. I reckon, again, guessing from products like that, it's going to cost about £5, so even adding another £10 on top of the price that I calculated, you would still be overpaying. However, that does not include the beautiful packaging that it comes in, and this again is very sturdy, so I guess you could say maybe it is worth £140. However, I would not buy it for that. £100, fair enough, you are saving £26. I bought it for £70. I think it's a bargain. I think it's going to bring a lot of joy to people. It made me so excited opening individual boxes. I don't need 8 eyeshadow palettes. I already have so many palettes, so I just want to share with you guys as well. I might put some stuff on Depop. Is it worth it? You're going to have to judge it by yourself. You are your own judge of your own wallet. I decided to buy this because one of you lovely people has asked me to do an advent calendar opening unboxing, so here it is. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too long, but for now, thank you so much for watching. You are the best. I hope to see you next time.